Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious and hearty traditional red beans and beef stew. You will need the best ingredients you can find for this recipe. I'll be using some wonderful grass-fed beef and pre-cooked red beans I cooked the other day. If you'd like the full instructions on how to cook red beans from scratch, the link for this recipe will be in the description box. You can also use tinned beans if you prefer, or you're short on time. Let's get started. Make sure you have all your ingredients ready laid out, including your chopped onions, tomatoes and garlic. In a hot pot, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 600 grams of beef chopped into chunks and 1 teaspoon salt. Fry the beef, allowing it to brown and develop those rich flavors. Add 1 medium-sized onion chopped and 3 to 6 cloves of garlic also chopped, and allow them to sauté until fragrant. To spice things up, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of medium curry powder. You can adjust the seasoning to your taste. Now it's time to add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes and 1 cup of hot water. Give everything a good stir and let it simmer on low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes. This will allow all the flavors to melt together beautifully. Now it's time to add the 1.5 cups of pre-cooked kidney beans or tinned beans. This will add a wonderful depth of flavor to our stew. Give everything a good stir and let it simmer again on low heat for a further 20 minutes. And there you have it, a comforting and flavorful traditional red beans and beef stew ready to be enjoyed. You can sprinkle black pepper seasoning at this point. Here I serve the stew with some rice, or you can enjoy this recipe with some bread. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, bye for now.